Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about what services Moka provides. Moka is a name associated with different types of services, but most prominently, it is known for its point-of-sale or POS and payment solutions, primarily in Indonesia. Moka POS and Business Solutions. The most recognized service is Moka POS, a cloud-based point-of-sale and business management platform. This platform is designed mainly for small and medium-sized businesses, helping them streamline their operations. Key services and features of Moka POS include sales and transaction management, processing sales, managing receipts, and handling transactions easily. Payment solutions, accepting various cashless and digital payments, including major e-wallets, with a single payment gateway. Inventory management, tracking stock, managing suppliers, and monitoring ingredient inventory for food and beverage businesses in real time. Employee management, managing staff access, tracking shifts, and monitoring employee performance. Customer relationship management, CRM, and loyalty programs, building customer databases, creating loyalty programs, and running promotions. Reporting and analytics, providing real-time sales reports, business performance dashboards, and insights for strategic decision-making. Multi-outlet management, allowing business owners to manage and access reports for multiple store locations from a single dashboard. Online storefront, integration with services like GoStore to help merchants sell online with transactions synced to their POS. Other services under the Moka name. It is important to note that the name Moka is also used by other organizations in different sectors. For instance, Moka, nonprofit organization in West Michigan, USA. This is a nonprofit that provides support and services to adults with intellectual and developmental disabilities, including residential programming, employment services, and community support. Moka United, FinTech in Turkey. This entity provides broader FinTech payment solutions like card issuing, wallet solutions, money transfer, smart safe, and POS systems. Moka, Intelligent Investing, a platform for intelligent wealth management, offering a fully managed S&P 500-based investment portfolio. However, for a small to medium-sized business owner, the most common and comprehensive service under the name Moka is the cloud-based Moka POS and integrated business solutions. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.